Hello everyone, hello grade 5. Today we will study the second part of math revision. Let's start. Number 1, add the two fractions 1/2 plus 3 over 4. To add the two fractions, we will keep the same denominator. So multiply the first fraction by 2 up and down. It will be 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Now keep the same denominator, which is 4, and 2 plus 3 equals what, guys? Equals 5. 5 over 4 is an improper fraction. We can write it as 1 and 1 over 4 as a mixed number. So the correct answer is C. Number 2, if n plus 5 over 9 equals 5 over 9, then n equals what? We studied before that 0 plus any number equals the same number. So n equals what, guys? Equals 0. The correct answer is A. Number 3, what's the sum of 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3? We have 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3. The LCD of the two fraction is what? Is 12. So multiply the first fraction by 3 up and down, and multiply the second fraction by 4 up and down. We will get here 9 over 12 plus what, guys? Plus 8 over 12. Now drop the same denominator, which is 12, and add the two numerators. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 17 over 12 is an improper fraction. We can write it as a mixed number. How? 17 divided by 12 equals 1, and the remainder will be 5 over the same denominator, which is 12. Now the correct answer here is 1 and 5 over 12. Number 4, what's the sum of 4/9 and 3/6? Write the standard form of the two fractions. We have here 4 over 9 plus 3 over 6. Now 3 over 6 is not in the simplest form. We can write it as 1/2. Now we have 3 over 9 plus 1/2. Now the LCD of the two fractions is what? Is 18. So multiply the second fraction by 9 up and down, and multiply the first fraction by 2 up and down. We will get here 2 times 4 equals what, guys? Equals 8 over 18 plus 9 over 18. Now keep the same denominator, which is 18, and 9 plus 8 equals 17. So the correct answer here is B. Number 5, compare between two sides. So we will add the two fractions 2 over 15 plus 2 over 3. The LCD of the two fractions here is 15. So multiply the second fraction by 5. We will get here 10 over 15. Now we have 2 over 15 plus 10 over 15. 10 plus 2 equals 12 over 15. The left hand side or the right hand side, it will be 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5. Just multiply 3 by 5 equals 15, and do cross products. 1 times 5 equals 5, and 3 times 1 equals 3. We will get here 8 over 15. Now 12 over 15 is greater than 8 over 15, so the correct answer is A. Number 6, find the sum of 1 over 5 plus 3 and 2/10. To get the sum here, the LCD here of the two fractions is 10. So multiply the first fraction by 2 up and down. We will get here 2 over 10 plus 3 and 2 over 10. Drop the whole part, which is 3. 2 plus 2 equals what? Equals 4 over 10. 4 over 10 is not in the simplest form. We can divide by 2. It will be 3 and 2 over 5. So the correct answer here, guys, is C. Number 7, John bought 12 and 1/2 pounds of fish. Aysel bought 21 and 1 over 4 pounds. How much fish did two buy all together? To find what they buy, we will add the two mixed numbers. 12 and 1/2 plus 21 and 1 over 4. 1/2, the equivalent fraction here is 2 over 4 plus 21 and 1 over 4. Now, guys, we will add the two whole parts. 21 plus 12 equals 33. 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals 3 over 4. So the correct answer here is 33 and 3 over 4 pound of fish. Number 8, what's the value of x if 3 and 1 over 3 equals x over 3? To find the value of x here, we will write the mixed number as improper fraction. We have 3 and 1 over 3 equals x over 3. Now convert the mixed number to be an improper fraction. How? 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we can write it as 10 over the same denominator, which is 3, equals x over 3. Now the corresponding value of x equals what, guys? Equals 10. So the correct answer is D. Number 9, the same idea. If 3 and 3 over 8 equals 3x over 8, then x equals what? Now write the mixed number as improper fraction. 3 times 8 equals 24. 24 plus 3 equals what? Equals 27. We have 27 over 8 equals what, guys? Equals 3x over 8. Now the corresponding value of x, it will be 3x equals 27, dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. Now x equals 27 divided by 3 equals what, guys? Equals 9. So the value of x equals 9, so the correct answer is C. Number 10, what's the difference of 7 over 10 minus 2 fifths? We have here the LCD of the two fraction is 10, so multiply the second fraction by 2 to keep the same denominator. We will get 7 over 10 minus 4 over 10. 7 minus 4, guys, equals what? Equals 3. So we have here the difference will be 3 over 10. The correct answer is C. Number 11, Nada spent 3 over 8 hours exercising and another 3 over 4 hours shouting basket. How much more? How much more, guys? Means what? Means subtract the two fractions. The greater one is 3 over 4 minus what? Minus 3 over 8. Keep the same denominator by multiplying the first fraction by 2 up and down. We will get 6 over 8 minus 3 over 8. Keep the same denominator, guys, which is 8, and 6 minus 3 equals 3. So the correct answer here is 3 over 8. Next, number 12, 1/2 minus 1 over 9 and 1 over 3 and 1 over 6. Compare using greater than, smaller than, or equal. Find the difference between the two fractions left hand side. It will be 1/2 minus 1 over 9. Now multiply the two denominators. 2 times 9 equals 18, and we have here 1 times 9 equals 9. 2 times 1 equals 2. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Now we have 7 over 18. The right hand side, 1 over 3 and 1 over 6. Just add the two fractions. We have here 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6. Multiply the two denominators, it will be 18. 6 plus 3 by cross products, guys. 1 times 6, 1 times 3, it will be 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now 7 over 18 and 9 over 18. 7 is less than 9, so we have here 7 over 18 is less than 9 over 18. So the correct answer here is B. Number 13, what's the LCD of the fractions 2 over 5, 1 over 4, 3 over 10? Now ask yourself, which number here is divisible by 5, 4, 10 at the same time? This number is what? Is 20. We can find it mentally. Number 14, if the LCD of the two fractions 1 over 4 and 1 over a is 12, then a equals what? Now, guys, 12 is divisible by what? Is divisible by 4 and a. 12 is divisible by 15? No. 12 is divisible by 5? No. 12 is divisible by 3, so the value of a equals 3. Number 15, 5 and 2/3 minus 5 and 2 over 9. How can we subtract? Just keep the same denominator. We have here the same whole part. Just we will subtract 2 over 3 minus 2 over 9. The LCD of the two fraction is 9. So multiply the first fraction by 3 up and down. We will get 6 over 9 minus 2 over 9. 6 minus 2, guys, equals what? Equals 4 over 9. So the difference here is 4 over 9. Number 16, what number plus 3 and 1 over 4 equals 8? To find the missing number here, we will subtract 3 and 1 over 4 from 8. Now we have 8 minus 3 and 1 over 4. You have to rename the first whole number. We can rename it as 7 and 4 over 4. It's easy to rename a whole number. Minus 3 and 1 over 4. Now subtract the two whole parts. 7 minus 3 equals what, guys? Equals 4. 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4, it will be 3 over 4. So the correct answer is C. Number 17, 4 minus 2 and 9 over 25. To find the difference here, we will rename the first whole part. Rename 4 as what? As 3 and 25 over 25, because the denominator here is 25, minus 2 and 9 over 25. Now subtract the integral parts. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now keep the same denominator, which is 25, and subtract the two numerators. 25 minus 9, guys, equals what? Equals 16. So the difference here is 1 whole and 16 over 25. So the correct answer here is D. Number 18, compare between the two sides. 1 over 3 and 1 over 7, adding 2 over 3 minus 3 over 7. To add here, just multiply the two denominators. 3 times 7 equals 21. Now 1 times 7 equals 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now we have the left hand side is 10 over 21. The right hand side, by the same way, 3 times 7 equals 21, and make cross products. 2 times 7 equals 14 minus 3 times 3, guys, equals what? Equals 9. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 5 over 21. We have 10 over 21 and 5 over 21. The two fractions have the same denominator, so we will compare between the two top numbers. 10 is greater than 5, so the left hand side is greater than the right hand side. The correct answer is A. Number 20, if 7 equals 6 and x over 5, then x equals what? To find the value of x here, we will rename the whole number, which is 7. We have 7 equals 6 and x over 5. Now we can rename 7 as 6 and what, guys? And 5 over 5. Like the same denominator, equals 6 and x over 5. The corresponding number of x is what, guys? Is 5. So the value of x equals 5. Now no 5 here, so the correct answer is the none of these. Number 20, if 7 equals 6 and x over 5, then x equals what? To find the value of x, we will rename 7 as a mixed number. How? Just 7 equals 6 and x over 5. We have 7, take 1 from 7, it will be 6. This one we can write it as 5 over 5 equals 6 and x over 5. The corresponding number of x, guys, is what? Is 5. So the value of x equals 5. Now no x equals 5 here. The correct answer is D. Number 21, 5 minus 1 and 1 over 8. To find the difference here, we will rename the first whole number. We can rename 5 as what? As 4 and 8 over 8 minus 1 and 1 over 8. Now subtract the two whole parts. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 8 over 8 minus 1 over 8, it will be 7 over 8. So the correct answer here is 3 and 7 over 8. The correct answer is B. Number 22, 7 minus 2 and 1/3. To find the difference here between the whole number and the mixed number, just we will rename 7. We can rename 7 as 6 and 3 over 3 minus the same mixed number 2 and 1 over 3. Now we can subtract 6 minus 2 equals 4. 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3, it will be 2/3. Now the correct answer is 4 and 2/3. Now the correct answer is C. Number 23, 5 and 5 over 6 minus 3 and 3 over 8. We can subtract here easily. The LCD of the two fraction, guys, is what? Is 24. Multiply the first fraction by 4 up and down, and multiply the second fraction here by 3 up and down. We will get here, multiplying by 4, we have 5 and 20 over 24. This is the first mixed number, minus 3 and 9 over 24. Now we can subtract 5 minus 3 equals what, guys? Equals 2. 20 minus 9 equals 11 over the same denominator, which is 24. So the difference here is 2 and 11 over 24. Number 24, 3 and 1 over 3 minus 1/2. We have 3 and 1 over 3 minus 1/2. We note that 1 over 3 is less than 1/2. Now we can rename the first mixed number. Just to take 1 from 3, it will be 2. This one we can write it as 3 over 3, and we have 1 over 3, it will be 4 over 3 minus 1/2. Now keep the same denominator. The LCD of the two fraction, guys, is what? Is 6. Now multiply the first fraction by 2 up and down, and multiply the second fraction by 3 up and down. We have 2 and 8 over 6 minus 3 over 6. Now we can subtract, drop 2. 8 minus 3 equals 5 over 6. So the correct answer is 2 and 5 over 6. Correct answer is A. Number 25, from a 5 and 5 over 6 feet piece of rope, I sell cut off 2 and 1 over 3 feet. How much rope was left? To find the left here, just subtract the two mixed numbers. We have 5 and 5 over 6 minus 2 and 1 over 3. Now keep the same denominator, multiplying the second fraction by 2 up and down. We have 5 and 5 over 6 minus 2 and 2 over 6. Now, guys, we can subtract 5 minus 2 equals what? Equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3 over 6. But the fraction 3 over 6 is not in the simplest form. Simplify, dividing by 3. Now, guys, we will get 3 and 1/2. So the left here is 3 and 1/2 in the simplest form. The correct answer is C. Number 26, 6 and 1/3 minus 4 and 4/9. How can we subtract here? We have here subtracting by renaming. Why, guys? We note that 1 over 3 is less than 4 over 9. Now 6 and 1 over 3 minus 4 and 4 over 9. We will will rename the first mixed number. Take 1 from 6, it will be 5. This one is 3 over 3 and we have 1 over 3. We will get 4 over 3 minus 4 and 4 over 9. Now guys, keep the same denominator, multiplying the first fraction by 3 and 3 up and down. We will get 5 and 12 over 9 minus 4 and 4 over 9. Subtract the two whole parts. We have 5 minus 4 equals 1 and over 9. 12 minus 4 equals 8. So the correct answer is 1 and 8 over 9. Number 27. Nader needs 7 and 2/5 yard of a wire. He has 2 and 3 over 4 yard. How much more wire does he need? How much more means what? Means subtract. So we will subtract 7 and 2 over 5 minus 3 and 2 and 3 over 4. Now guys, 2/5 is less than 3/4. So you have to rename the first mixed number. Take 1 from 7, it will be 6. This one is 5 over 5 and we have here 2 over 5. Now we have 7 over 5. You can rename the mixed number mentally. Minus 2 and 3 over 4. The LCD of the two fractions is what? Is 20. We will multiply the first fraction by 4 up and down and multiply the second fraction by 5 up and down. Rewrite the two mixed numbers again. We have 6 and 28 over 20 minus what? Minus 2 and 15 over 20. Now we can subtract 6 minus 2 guys equals what? Equals 4 over what? Over 20. 28 minus what? Minus 8. 8 minus 5 equals 3 and 2 minus 1 equals 1. Now the difference is 4 and 13 over 20 yard. Now the correct answer is what guys? Is D. Number 28. 8 and 6 over 7 minus 2 and 1 over 7. We can subtract here directly. 8 minus 2 equals what? Equals 6. 6 over 7 minus 1 over 7, it will be 5 over 7. 5 over 7 is in the simplest form. So we have here 6 and 5 over 7. So the correct answer is not given. Number 29. Name the mixed number. To write the mixed number here, ask yourself how many units we have. We have 2 units are shaded. Now we have 1 plus 1. To write this fraction, ask yourself how many equal parts we have. In all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6. How many equal parts are shaded? It will be 5. Now the mixed number is what? Is 1 plus 1 plus 5 over 6. It will be here guys 2 and 5 over 6. Now the correct answer is B. Number 30. Subtract 7 and 3 over 8 minus 5 and 5 over 8. 3 over 8 is less than 5 over 8. So to subtract, we will rename the first mixed number. Take 1 from 7, it will be 6. This one is what? Is 8 over 8 and we have 3 over 8. It will be 11 over 8 minus 5 and 5 over 8. We have here the same denominator. We can subtract now directly. 6 minus 5 equals what? Equals 1. 11 over 8 minus 5 over 8, it will be 6 over 8. But the fraction 6 over 8 is not in the simplest form. We can divide by 2. We have a common factor. Now 1 and what? 6 divided by 2 equals 3 and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the correct answer is 1 and 3/4. Now the correct answer is A. Finally, number 31. Mr. June drove 18 and 1/3 mile to work. Then he moved 8 and 5 over 6 mile closer to work. How far does he drive to work now? Guys, to find the remaining distance to work, we will subtract 8 and 5 over 6 from 18 and 1/3. Now we have 18 and 1/3 minus what guys? Minus 8 and 5/6. Now to here subtract 1 over 3 is less than 5 over 6. Rename the first mixed number. Take 1 from 18. It will be what guys? It will be 17. This one, it will be 3 over 3 and we have 1 over 3. It will be 4 over 3 minus 8 and 5 over 6. Now we can keep the same denominator, multiplying the first fraction by 2 up and down. We will get 17 and 8 over what guys? Over 6 minus 8 and 5 over 6. Now we can subtract 17 minus 8 equals what? Equals 9. 8 minus 5 equals 3 over 6. The fraction 3 over 6 is not in the simplest form. We have here a common factor. Cancel out the common factor. Dividing by 3. Divided by 3 equals 1. Divided by 3 equals 2. So the difference, it will be 9 and 1/2. The correct answer is C. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.